Hello girls, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia, for the ones who don't know me, from Berlin Look Styling. I love bags, fashion, beauty, and I try to make videos not so regularly as I should, but I'm here and today I have something very special. We're gonna do an unboxing from one of my favorite brands lately in terms of luxury bags. I don't buy anything else than bags. I don't buy shoes or belts or jewelry and that kind of thing. I'm pretty low-key when it comes to other accessories, but I love to indulge in a good bag. So this is my new investment and I wanted to share it with you guys. The actual unboxing, I will insert it here somewhere because I did it today morning. I wasn't really planning to do this video because this is my Christmas present, but I had to shoot some looks for a brand and so I decided to use this bag and yeah, I open it and the bag in question is of course none other than the Lou Camara. I will tell you the whole story about this bag. I ordered this beauty initially from my Teresa, but I had a problem. It came with a defect. I will insert a picture so you guys can see. And so I returned it and there wasn't the color that I was looking for anymore in Germany, but I also loved this color because I think a white bag is quite a commitment and this color is something in between before I really go to a white bag, but it's something I'm really considering. Okay, just to begin, I will insert the dimensions of this bag so you guys have an idea of the pros and the cons. I essentially cannot do a pros and a cons because this is a reveal. I probably should be doing a pros and cons of the Lulu puffer. That is a bag that I know very well right now and I will insert the unboxing video here, so if you are interested in that bag you can watch that video too. This is of course a reveal. I will tell you the reasons why I bought this bag. I think I needed something cream in my collection. That was the number one. And I also love chevron. I think this is a very durable leather. The ones I have already on chevron, either from Gucci or from other brands, they have worked for me very well. The leather performs well. It doesn't scratch so easily, and if it does, it doesn't look bad as lamb or some other kind of leathers which are very visible. I think these ones, when they scratch, but it's okay. So let's see with this color, because obviously it's much more delicate. It's this creamy olive. I will write the color here as well because I don't know. It's a color that matches really well with creams, with whites, with jeans, with blacks. I will be concerned about wearing black with this bag. I don't think I will be that adventurous because I'm afraid of color transfer. I don't like color transfers on my bags, so I won't do that. Neither I would wear this bag with jeans because I'm also worried about color transfer. For me, this color is more about matching it with knitwear on similar color tones so that I don't risk anything and the bag can shine on those looks too. One concern is of course the opening, whether it will work well for me. Right now paper is here and the things that come from Saint Laurent. I know that my wallet fits, my key fits. I also need to bring with me some hand sanitizer, but that fits really well. It's not a bag for everyday work. It's just a bag for weekends when I can wear something more relaxed, more creamy, or like something like I'm wearing right now, a beautiful dress. That will work fantastic. Yeah, let's see some mod shots. This is how it looks on me, on my body frame. I really have a lot of ideas on how to style this bag, but I decided to show you with a very basic outfit because I think this bag is not a special occasion kind of bag. It's more of like a very casual, but you can wear it for restaurants as well. I think it's very wearable and I would like to have bags that are more wearable right now in my collection because I think some of my bags I kind of like need to baby, and that's where the Lou Camara comes in because I think this bag is very practical. I've seen it on my friend Eddie Fisher. She has it in black and she wears it with so many different kind of outfits and always looks divine on her, but okay, it's Eddie, right? In Eddie, everything looks divine. For me, like, I'm a little bit less luxurious, but my look has a slight luxurious touch. Of course, otherwise I wouldn't have named my blog Berlin Looks Styling. This bag fills the bill, just like to add that cherry on the top of the outfit. I think one of the things that I love to try with is to wear it with creamy suit, or like suits in pastel colors, because I think these look really, really well. And maybe with a big hat. I don't know, I have this idea of doing some Yves Saint Laurent inspired looks with obviously this bag. So if you're thinking about your first bag in your collection, because I think some of the people who find these videos on YouTube are people starting their collection, I will not recommend you this color, because I think this color is something you add to your collection once you have already a couple of black bags in different sizes, because you need black bags in your wardrobe. But once you have the basic blacks, then you can start diversifying your collection to other shades that you love. And I wasn't really a fan of creams and whites, but now I feel like I love them so much that I want to have more creams and whites in my collection. Before, I always wanted black and browns, but yeah, as I said, now it's more of like, it's time for me to start adding more beige. And I used to love pink as well, but pink, it's something that gets you very tired. When it comes to my recommendation, I think this bag, if you're thinking about it, it has the benefit of the price point, because nowadays you can't really get a very beautiful luxurious bag for this price so easily. And I think I've watched many videos where they recommend to wait for Black Friday to get these models of Yves Saint Laurent, because it does go to discount phases, and I think there are several retailers that have big discounts like 20%, 40%. So it could happen, and if that is the case, then you are lucky. I bought it full priced, and okay, I waited for Black Friday and I really tried, but it just didn't work, and I wanted to have it because the colors are not always there. I mean, obviously black will always be there, and I think red as well, but not always the same shade. And I really, really love this one, so I wanted to have especially this tone. That's why I didn't wait, but otherwise I would wait, because I think the discounts are super, super big. Moreover, if you are looking for your first designer bag, I say you buy one that it's bigger, because in this one you will not be able to fit a lot, so you will get frustrated. You will need a bigger one pretty soon. That's a mistake sometimes, to buy the first luxury bag, a small one, because then you need to really rush into buying a new one that is bigger. Better to start with something middle size, and then you work your collection through a smaller or bigger as well. That is my perspective. This is something that I learned by watching others as well, watching other videos, especially in this community, and things that I've heard from other users. And because this is not my first one, I'm very sure that I need this kind of size on my wardrobe for my lifestyle. Now we're gonna touch another thing, which is whether this bag is on fashion. I tell you, no, I don't think the bag is especially like in terms of like, it's not a Bottega Veneta, it's not one of the Chanel, it's not the Romance stud from Valentino. However, this is what I'm gonna say about it. I know that I will love this bag in 5 years time, and no problem. 5 year times I will still love this bag for sure, because it's practical, it's not too on your face, although of course it has some details going on, but I can sometimes use it this way so you don't necessarily see the logo. Has this benefit, but also the shape. This is a shape that has been around for years and years. I think this Chanel reminiscence, the shape is very classic. If you compare this with any of these Bottega Venetas, I can tell you that this is going to be in a style in 5 year times, and this one's more likely never again. They're gonna fade away, and Bottega Veneta will have to come with other models, because they seem to me to be almost like Chloe, kind of like seasonal bags, and I tend not to go for seasonal bags. I love them, I really like them, and I think that if I had a lot of budget on my disposal, I would definitely add a Bottega Veneta. I'm not sure whether the Jody or the Cassette, I still don't know about it, and because I'm not sure, I decided to go for this one, and I said, okay, let's spend less and buy something that is for sure good next year and in 2 years' time. Do I recommend it? I don't know how it performs. I'm very looking forward to it, and I will let you know in my next video. So we are at the end of this video. I can't believe it. I hope I can edit short so it's not so long. I hope you have watched it all. If you have, please give a thumbs up to this video. This will help me a lot. Subscribe if you haven't, leave me a comment, leave some love, because sharing is caring, and I really want to make this channel a space for us, for women who love fashion, style and luxury. Why not sometimes when it's possible. I hope you guys have the greatest holidays. Merry Christmas. Stay healthy, stay together, share beautiful moments with your family. That's my wish for you, and I send you huge waves of good vibes from Berlin. Ciao ciao.